Teddy Bear, did you make it to the doggy park? Yeah? You running with the big dogs today? He's a beautiful dog. Oh my goodness. Got your sweaters on. It's a little bit chilly this morning. Be nice. Morning, Daddy.
Morning.
It's be nice, babies. There weren't no puppies in the little park, so had to bring them to the big doggy park. But most of the time, the big dogs are okay. We haven't had any trouble with them. But it's no fun if there's no puppies for the Teddy to play with. And happy Wednesday, everybody, from Teddy Bear. I hope everybody has a great day.